Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be giving you hands-on development challenges to improve skills on coding, to give you a hands-on experience on coding. So this is weekend 27 and let's get started. So this is basically SQL projects. Here we have 4 challenges followed by 2 projects. So these challenges teach you the basics of SQL and these projects where you will be actually implementing these queries, whatever you learn from here. So let's get started. So challenge 1, it says active employees of Chef Corp. So basically, what we have to write is write an SQL query to list the names of and the departments of employees who are currently active, who are currently working. Alright, so basically the output should be 2 columns, that is name and the department of the employees who are actually working. Alright, so the query goes like, we have to first use select, what all we need, name and department. Select name and department from the table which is employee. The table name is employees. And the condition is where employee status should be active, right? So employee status should be active. So when I write this, select name and department from employees where status equal to active. Or if the question was, if the write an SQL query to list the names and departments of the employees who are not working or are not active, it should be status equal to inactive. So but now it is active. Let me submit the program. This is just a one-liner simple query. Alright, so you can see these are the active employees and these are the names of the department of those employees. That's it. So the answer is correct. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.